What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. We have a glorious video for you. And why is tonight's video, whenever you're watching it, early morning, evening, why is the video awesome? Because we might be late to the party, but we finally have Milwaukee's M18 Super Sawzall with orbital action, baby. Yeah. We got the Super Sawzall. It comes with a 12 amp hour battery of high architecture output nature. What does that mean? That means that high output architecture 12 amp hour battery stuffed with 21700 cells generates more than 15 amp corded tools. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say in a nutshell, okay? The battery. It also comes with a rapid charger, comes with a contractor bag. Oh snap, I just saw this now. It says 15 amp corded power. I saw that before, but I didn't see faster than 15 amp corded. Dang, as Nick would say. Specifications are stroke length, 1.25 inches, strokes per minute, 0 to 3,000, so it's infinitely variable from 0 to 3,000 strokes per minute. Adjustable shoe, yes, or C, depending on which language you speak. Hang hook, it's bizarre. Hang hook? Like just, wouldn't we call it like a ladder hook or something? But yes, you can hang it off of this hook on a ladder or a scaffold, if you like. Orbital on and off, whatever you like. You like a little orbital? You like a little, you like no orbital? Boom. The tool is 21.5 inches, weight is 12.2 pounds. It's not a featherweight. This is product number 2722-21HD. So I will say, we've seen multiple iterations and promotions of this tool, okay? It debuted at $399 in kit form. Then during the holidays, we saw a promo where you bought the tool for $399. They gave you an additional 12 amp hour battery. Finally, right now at the Home Depot, depending on what's going on, where you're at, you can find this kit for between $340 and $320. You would know that though, if you followed along on our live streams. We do tool tours in tool stores all the time. Go check out this one right here at the Home Depot. Maybe you can see this tool for $320. If you already have M18 batteries, it will work with this tool, this Super Sawzall. I will say, if the battery is not of HO architecture, you're not going to get the full potential of this tool. If you need a little explanation on the batteries and the HO architecture, go on over to this video here. So, you know it's coming with, that's the funny thing, I keep saying you know, but maybe you wouldn't be on this video if you did know. For all of you that don't know, this tool comes with a Power State brushless motor. That Power State brushless motor isn't a motor that they just take from tool to tool and put it in everything. Each Power State brushless motor in each fuel tool is purposely built for the tool and it to suit its needs. Wow, it sounds like the perfect carrying brushless motor. Depending on where it is, it just accommodates. Okay, so we have number 2, Red Link Plus Intelligence. It's telling that motor and these batteries what's going on, what's the deal. The Red Lithium High Output HD 12.0 battery pack fits all M18 tools. The other thing is that, let's just say you were already in the fuel line or maybe even the brushless line of Milwaukee tools, but you don't have the high output architecture batteries just yet. This battery could breathe some extra performance into those tools. Pretty cool stuff. It says less downtime. One charge of that 12 amp hour battery will get you 150 cuts into 2x12s. Okay, for all of you that want to know about the warranty, Vince, here it is. You got a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. You know, it's pretty funny. What's the warranty on the charger? Anybody know? Leave it down in the comment section below. Does it fall under battery or tool? There's a little brain teaser for you. That's what we do around here. Alrighty, we got our Para 3 from Spyderco, sporting S110V steel. Quite frankly, it's a little overkill. for the one little single piece of tape here holding this box closed, but you know, I love it. It's made here, USA Earth, Golden, Colorado. We get this thing opened, and what are we met with? We're met with a bag. A very well-built bag, if I do say so myself. They have pretty sturdy zippers, and I think that's important, okay? A zipper is really great technology in and itself. I mean, think about this. Amish people could be, like, sent out of the clan or whatever, the horde, whatever Amish people, however they coincide. If they use zippers instead of buttons, they could be banished, okay, and sent into Western civilization. So, I gotta tell you, you might think, it's just a zipper. But if you were Amish, you could be disowned. Hashtag just saying. Now, I will say the zipper is nice and robust, as well as the bag. It's nylon, it feels pretty good. We got the instructions for the Sawzall. You know, in case you're unaware, and this is your first time to the channel, you've never heard me say it before, Milwaukee invented the Sawzall. Even if it's a DeWalt or a Makita or whatever brand it may be, they don't say, hey, give me the recip saw. They say, give me the Sawzall, because Milwaukee invented it. It's like when you buy plastic wrap, okay? You just say, give me the saran wrap. All right, second out of the box besides the instructions, we got some cardboard. Got a little strap for the bag. Listen, this is the deal. I'm not gonna talk about the brochure, okay, and the instruction manual. You don't wanna see that. You wanna see the tools, okay? So what I always read these things. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this aside for later on. I'm gonna read it cover to cover. I suggest you do too in your downtime, okay? So put it somewhere safe. I will say this. This is plastic. Not digging it. Thing is that it latches on to plastic. So, you know, what can you do? You know what would be cool? Like if the Super Sawzall came in a pack-out box. What do you think about that? Leave it down in the comment section below. I will say this, you'd be surprised. Milwaukee might read our comment section. Third out of the bag is a rapid charger. I gotta tell you, with all these HO batteries that we've been laying stock in, okay, you can never have too many rapid chargers. The 12 amp hour HO red lithium high output battery, okay? Now, this battery delivers a lot of power, a lot of amps per hour. Matter of fact, it's rated for 216 watt hours. Unbelievable. Now, the battery itself weighs 3 pounds, 5.9 ounces. Keep that in mind. We're gonna strap this onto a pretty hefty tool. In itself, you're adding almost like 3.5 pounds. Additionally, every time you buy a kit from Milwaukee, you get chances to win tools or swag. Check it out next time you buy a kit. It's inside the bag. Don't miss it. I feel like we've come to the point now where we can bring out the included double duty upgraded blade. Look at this. This is nice. This is a nice little surprise. I wasn't expecting this. This is their double duty upgrade thin kerf. Look at that. This is a 6-inch blade and it's got 10 teeth per inch. That means if you're good at arithmetic, there's 60 teethuses on here. Unbelievable. Wow. Finally, out of the bag. This thing is a behemoth. It feels well built, number one. I like the rubber overmold out here. Feels very protective. Pretty awesome. It has an adjustable speed dial here. Look at that. I only have one problem with the switch. It don't go to 11. It only goes to 5. What's with that? Our trigger lock, so you can't actuate. We have our ladder hook, or hammer hook, whatever you want to call it, our hang hook. Will it hang? Look at that. It hangs. It hangs off this table. It hangs off that scaffold. It hangs off that part of the scaffold too. I could hang it off my belt. It might tear my pants down. It's too heavy. Hey, Tex, look at that. Hey, Tex. 2 Allen anchors holding it in. It looks really, really secure. We have your orbital on and orbital off dial, as well as the latch for your adjustable shoe. Okay, you lift that up. Your shoe, I mean, literally, look at that. Adjust. Look how easily it adjusts. Pretty awesome. Now, why do you want an adjustable shoe? The reason you want an adjustable shoe is a lot of times if you don't have an adjustable shoe on your Sawzall, it limits the part of the blade that gets the use. You can move this all the way out, use the tip, but you can move this all the way back as well. So you're using all of your blade. Pretty cool. Now, another cool feature is it has a toolless blade change. Very simple toolless blade change. And I know for everybody that's like under 40 years old, okay, you're saying to yourself, oh, it's not really a big deal. It is to an old timer like me, okay? Because I used to have to use an Allen wrench. Oh yeah, I used to have to walk to and from school uphill both ways when I was a kid. In the snow, even in the summer, when I didn't go to school. Can you see a difference in the stroke when you use orbital and use non-orbital? Let's see. This is non-orbital. Wow. Let's see now. Let's turn on orbital. Oh, you see that? Whoa. I will say I like that. It has a nice light here. So we're gonna make some cuts here. This set was from a previous episode of Tool Test Raw. Everything we're about to cut is all used up anyway, so we're just gonna go to town. Orbital off through a 2x4. Orbital on through a 6x6. That was fast. Like I said, all leftover useless stuff from previous TTR. Like I said, just wanted to use up some of this junk left over from a previous Tool Test Raw. And if you like unboxing and tool reviews that end with a little action, smash the like button. Also, if it's your first time here and you're not already, you want to get subscribed and tap the bell. Why do you want to tap the bell? Well, because you don't want to miss anything that's going on with the Very Cool Gang. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.